Is India's workforce capable to replace China's workforce? Keep watching to learn more.
Let's talk about one of the biggest economic opportunities on the planet right now. For decades, China has been the world's factory, cranking out nearly $5 trillion worth of goods every year. India, just a tenth of that. But here's the thing, the world is desperate for alternatives. Remember the chaos when global supply chains snapped during COVID? Yeah, that's what happens when everyone's eggs are in one basket. Now with trade wars, rising Chinese wages, and all kinds of geopolitical drama, companies are scrambling to diversify. This is where India's China Plus One moment comes in. Why India? Let's break it down. First, costs. Wages in China have exploded. Factory workers there earn about $17,000 a year. In India, just under $3,000. And while China's workforce is aging fast, India's is young, massive, and still growing. Second, the language edge. Nearly half the world's global capability centers are in India because companies trust Indians with their most complex projects. Third, India isn't just a cheap place to make things, it's a giant market. A domestic market of 1.4 billion people means companies get production base and customers in one package. But let's be real, India isn't China yet. China's infrastructure is next level. 50,000 kilometers of high-speed rail, expressways everywhere, and a vocational training system churning out millions of skilled workers every year. China didn't just get cheap labor, there was a three-phase playbook: proto-industrialization, scale, then high-tech innovation. WTO accession accelerated it all. So, what's the blueprint for India? 5 big moves. 1. Fix the talent crisis. Rebrand factory work as skilled, respected careers, and use tech to train and support workers better. 2. Reverse the brain drain. Make it easy and attractive for Indian professionals abroad to come back home. Offer tax breaks, research grants, and fast pathways into leadership roles. 3. Scale up vocational training fast, with industry-led curricula and guaranteed internships. Get a meaningful share of the workforce formally skilled within a decade. 4. Unleash an infrastructure blitz. Ports, highways, plug-and-play industrial parks. Fast-track logistics and streamline regulations to make factories nimble and export-ready. 5. Pick sectors where India already shines, electronics, pharmaceuticals, and use smart trade deals to carve out a bigger global role. Bottom line, the China Plus One revolution isn't coming, it's here. India has all the ingredients. But execution, that's everything. Will India move fast enough to lead this new era, or watch as someone else takes the prize? The window is open. The world is watching. The moment is now.